Gig workers, have you received your $20,834 from the SBA yet? It's a free stimulus package. If you guys have not yet applied for $20,834 from the SBA in free stimulus money, please, gig workers, pay attention to this video. I know I've said this on so many videos, but pay attention to this video. I'm about to show you guys how you guys could capitalize on $20,000, $20,834 to be exact. Stick around for this video because I have the tips on one of the fastest institutions that could get you the $20,000 in 3 days. Stick around. Welcome back, YouTube, to another video of Ask Builder. I thank you guys so much for joining me today. I want to get into something very specific for gig workers who are in the need of that quick cash for their business and qualify for a free stimulus package from the CARES Act. Now, this was closed just a short while ago, but it has been extended until August 8th. And for those of you out there who know what this extension is, this is for the Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP from the SBA. I've got some key tips that I want you guys to follow, and I've got an institution that I want to recommend to you guys that you could get this done within 3 business days, okay? You're going to file, 3 business days later, you're going to see money transferred into your bank account, $20,834. Stick around for all these details, but first, go down below, guys. Support my channel, like my channel, get subscribed so you guys can follow along in this action. I've got a lot of other videos on real estate that I offer, but more specifically for all of you gig workers out there who are looking for support and a good understanding of how the PPP program works and how the EIDL grants work and how the overall SBA CARES Act programs are all set up, refer to my videos that are linked below. There's a lot of great tips and advice that helps entrepreneurs like yourself get the funds that we truly need right now during these pandemic times, okay? So I want you guys to go out there and benefit as much as possible so we can keep this economy turning and keep the benefits, right? I mean, this is probably one of the best economies we've seen in a long time. You know, I want to keep that momentum going, and I want to help you guys keep that momentum going. So like and subscribe down below and join me, all right? Okay, let's get into the details. I don't want to hesitate any longer. I don't want you to miss out on $20,834, okay? So if you're a gig worker, a gig worker is identified as these individuals who are independent contractors. You are a sole proprietor, you have a small business, you are a Uber driver, you are an Uber Eats driver, you are a Instacart worker, you manage Airbnbs, okay? You're managing real estate. Not if you're owning real estate, but if you're managing real estate. And you are on a independent contractor, a 1099, if you're filing Schedule Cs, okay, you are all qualified for the Paycheck Protection Program. And even better yet, if you are a sole proprietor, you're going to get that whole loan forgiven, all right? It converts it from a loan, a Paycheck Protection loan, and it turns it into free stimulus money, all right? So sole proprietors are employees of one. You are your own employee. So when you're asked things like, what's my EIN number? It's your social security number, right? You know, so when you're asked what's your business name, it's your first name and your last name. That's what your business name is, right? So on all these applications, I know they could be a little bit confusing, but make sure you're not skipping this opportunity and make sure you're going out and capitalizing on this money. Now, I can tell you guys one institution that will get you the money in 3 days. This is BlueVine. Go and check them out. I am not sponsored in any way by BlueVine. Go out and check out BlueVine. They have an automated system that will automatically process all Schedule Cs. We know that under PPP, the max for a single employee is $100,000 for the year, and so that comes down to $8,333 in monthly earnings. The average monthly earning of $8,333, and they are going to give you a multiplier of 2.5 times that. which comes out to $20,834. Okay. Now you're not going to want to miss out on this money. What you're going to do is you're going to get your Schedule C prepared. You don't have to get it through all the accountants. Just go and get the thing prepared. Okay. Fill out all the details that are on it. Figure out what that line 31 value is. Whatever that line 31 value is, divide that by 12 and then multiply it by 2.5. And that is exactly what you guys are going to qualify for under the PPP program. You're going to take that form, you're going to fill it out. And when you go to BlueVine's website, it's going to walk you through a series of Q&As. And it's going to ask you to upload your driver's license, pictures front and back. And then it's going to ask you to upload your Schedule C. So you're gonna upload and submit your application, and it's gonna ask you a series of questions of, if you're a criminal, etc., and if you can even receive these loans, and if you were in business on the time of February 15th, etc., etc. It's gonna ask you all these questions. Advance to the questions, click yes to the questions. Don't lie. Make sure you read the questions and click yes to the questions that are applied. But then you will qualify, and it will advance you into their automated system. So as long as you have that Schedule C uploaded and your driver's license uploaded, it's going to automatically process your application. Okay, once you submit the original series of questions to BlueVine, they're going to send you an email. That email is going to say, go to BlueVine, click this link, go to BlueVine to activate your account. You qualify for the Paycheck Protection Program. So you follow that link, and it basically confirms your email address and some other applicable information. And it activates your BlueVine account. Within 12 hours, you're going to receive another email. This email says, congratulations, you qualify for the Paycheck Protection Program. Here's a loan offer. Click here to receive your loan offer. So there's going to be another blue link, and it says accept and sign offer. You click on that link in your email, and it's going to take you back to BlueVine, and it's going to say, congratulations, you've been approved for this much money, right? However much money it was, maybe it's the $20,834, and it's going to say you have 60 months to pay this back. It's deferred for 10 months. It's at 1%. Click here to accept and sign your loan documents. So you click there, and it takes you to DocuSign. DocuSign lets you kind of scroll your finger initials and scroll in your signature of your name, first and last name, and then you click on all the little yellow tabs in the terms and conditions as it advances you through the signing process. You click finish, and another screen pops up and says, congratulations, you've been approved, just like that. So once you had your offer letter and you sign all those documents, you hit finish, and boom, $20,834 is the maximum money you can see, and it's instantaneous. So it says, congratulations, you've been approved, and ACH will be transferred to your whatever bank account you provided, and it should arrive within 3 to 5 business days. You're also going to get an email that says the same thing. So you're going to receive an email that says your funds are on the way. You'll be receiving X amount of dollars into your bank account, whichever bank account you selected. And I'm telling you, I've heard this from so many people that the 3 to 5 business days is like seconds. It happens instantaneously. As soon as you see that email, go check your bank account. When it says your funds are on the way, you go and check your bank account, and I will be very surprised if you guys have feedback for me that says the money wasn't there, because so far, everybody that I've talked to, the money's there instantaneously. So BlueVine seems to be the fastest one. I know I said 3 days. Maybe it's 3 days if you have some things in your application that need more clarification. A loan officer might require some more information. So you may have to work through some things. But if you have that Schedule C and you upload it into the automated system, this process is going to happen very quickly. So within, almost 18 hours, you could be seeing $20,834. All right, guys, like and subscribe. If you need more details on this, leave comments down below. I'm going to answer the questions live on air, live on YouTube. I want to bring you guys all the answers that I've seen from all my clients and all my friends and everybody that's gone through PPP. I've got a large network of entrepreneurs that I work with daily, and these are the steps and testimonies that they've provided for me. So I hope you guys have just as great a luck as they did, and join us on this journey. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much.